Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. So this is my patient. We just talked about this 2 minutes ago. So look at the list on the side and see who's patient. This is mine. As you can see, we've got this very, very thick, sticky, I can't think of any other word to describe that really, with just thick and sticky wax.
Yeah.
A little bit of dry skin in there, a little bit of keratin, binding all this together. Oh, there we go, out that pops.
So we've got 4 patients in this.
Yeah, it's a bit of a quick fire.
So
We've done a shorter video this time because me and Taylor haven't really got much time to edit this voice this video, obviously. We're going to do a very quick pace video. Yeah, look at the difference in that.
Already?
I know. Yeah.
Right, okay.
Don't mess about, Taylor Green. So this is same patient, other ear. You can see it looks darker at the beginning. We've got different light settings on the endoscope, and I had it on the lowest light setting. I don't know why, but I had it on that before I went in with the next bit. So we're just going to pull this bit out as well.
You just love to see it when it starts sliding out nice and easy like that. Brilliant.
It's when you start pulling that and then you see the sort of tail attached to the back end, it pulls the remainder out with it. There we go, look at that.
Seconds
on that one.
Seconds.
That's me done. How about, yeah. So it's just over 2 centimetres, just over 3/4 of an inch on that one, guys.
Oh, smashed that one up, fair play.
Look at that. I didn't even have the new rulers on there. We hadn't had the new rulers yet. So that was, they're still working on the old ones.
Fair play.
Thanks again for whoever sent the mysterious ruler giver.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
They are very in depth.
They're very
detailed.
Yeah. But they're good rulers, in fairness.
200ths of a millimetre.
An inch, 2 inches by an inch. So this is you now, isn't it?
This is me now. So very big golden syrupy type of.
Ooh, good analogy.
Food again.
I know.
Spoiled all the syrup lovers.
I did candy corn the last one, so you've got to spoil something else in this one there.
It's not going to put me off anyway. I do like golden syrup, to be fair. But we're not here about food, so we're here about earwax.
Tell me about breakfast yet.
I haven't eaten breakfast, so dribbling. So little bit of olive oil has gone into this particular ear. We've taken away the softer piece, and this is the darker, harder bit where the wax, the oil hasn't quite affected the wax.
Yeah.
But you can almost kind of see it's, in a way, kind of stretchy a little bit. You can see it as I'm pulling it. It's almost like
it's just drawing forward, isn't it?
Yeah. A little bit of a wiggle now. We should shoot this out.
Anytime now.
There we go.
Let's talk about yourselves there.
The hay bales coming past.
Tumbleweed.
Tumbleweed, sorry, hay bales?
That's a pretty strong wind of hay bales going past. You wouldn't want to be out in that.
Tumbleweed, sorry, not hay bales.
It's because we don't have them here in the UK, guys. We don't have tumbleweeds here in the UK.
Sorry, we do have a lot of farmers around.
Crisp packets, we get those blown around quite a bit.
Crisp packets,
McDonald's wrappers. Not it's going to be say it now. What are they called? Those things called? Tumbleweeds.
Tumbleweeds.
Dear. This is going to be a great voiceover again. I can feel it coming off. We're only like 2 minutes in and we're bump. Oh dear.
Just trying to tidy up these little bits here, but you can see how kind of sticky these bits are. I'm not overly concerned. We've cleared the wax, we've cleared the blockage. Patient here is so much better, and yeah.
Another 2.5 centimeters.
Yeah, probably if I turned that last little taily bit around, I probably would have been a little bit less. But
Looks a bit like Woodstock from Snoopy, that little bit.
Yeah.
So
this is you now, I think.
This is me again now, yeah. So very soft type of wax here. Like I said, I did say they're quick fire ones in this one. I think this is the third one, I think. So it's a little bit kind of granular, a little bit sticky. So we're just pulling this forwards. There we go, a little bit of a wiggle.
That's a good old wiggle, that.
That's turbo. I think we're turbo. Look at that go.
That's an aggressive wiggle. Come on. This is the end of the day, obviously, where you go, come on.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. I'll just hold it still. You just wiggle your head back and forth. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a good one. Do you see that come away? That is
like a lobster tail.
That was massive, that thing. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to cut. That's why I had to wiggle so much. Look at that. You could see how deep it went. It was right down on top of the eardrum here. Oh, it's always,
Oh,
look at this now.
jump in
Drop
it,
down now, look. Scoop that at the same time.
Oh, look at that.
Efficiency there, like, see. I'm
Brush your shoulders
I'm
off.
not going back in twice for that suction tube. Whoop, I'll have that bit as well on the way out. Look at that. So,
Efficient.
look at that. Yeah, the eardrum, you can see some retraction pockets on that eardrum there, though. Yeah, I don't know if I point them out. I can't remember. If I didn't, I meant to. No, I didn't.
No.
But you can see there's little retraction pockets in there as well. 2 centimeters.
Just under 3/4
I'm going to
inch.
go just under 3/4 of an inch. I think it's just over one of those other weird lines in the imperial measurement system. Is that an 8th or 16th? No, the slightly long ones are 8ths, and then the shorter ones are 16ths, aren't they? That's right, yeah.
Oh, this is mine. This is mine now, isn't it?
Last
This
one?
is mine now. Last one.
I think.
Cotton buds in this one. Not cotton bud removal, but patients has used cotton buds.
I think this is a combo one. I think this is one you do a bit of irrigation on as well to help clean it. I think it might be. I remember when I did the edit. I think there's. I think.
Sorry guys, as you can probably tell from watching some of the last videos, it's been a few days at least before we've seen these videos, so it's very hard to remember what comes out and what's done.
Myself and Mr. Tilly Green are consummate professionals, obviously, but we can't always remember bits because we can see anything up to about 16 patients in a day sometimes for wax removal. So we don't always remember each individual one.
No.
You tend to find it's the ones that are really awkward or difficult to do. We remember those.
Yeah.
But the really easy ones, we kind of think, that was a good one.
Quick ones like this one. Well, I say a quick one. This is the longest of the compilation, but
this is one I'm not a big fan of doing these. It's very, very messy, and it does lead me really nicely on to a talk about irrigation in a bit. Because one of the questions, I know I keep banging on about this, but you guys keep asking the same questions, so I thought I'd go on about it. So basically, a lot of patients say, okay, why use irrigation then? Why not use suction? I thought irrigation was dangerous. So what I did say to the viewers was, it depends on the type of wax. So if you've got someone with a very soft, sticky wax that's stuck everywhere, it's deep, it's all over the eardrum, irrigation in that respect would be able to rinse that ear canal and clean that eardrum off probably more effectively than suction would. And you haven't got a suction tube right on top of the eardrum then either, to take that away. So in some cases, yes, and there are other times where I would use maybe irrigation to soften a really hard plug if the patient hasn't softened it enough before we do irrigation, or we'll use a combination of both, or sometimes we'll just use irrigation. This is a great case in point for that, where we're talking about this I hope it's this one now, because if it's not, I'm just typically talking rubbish compared to what it is. You can see that really, really deep, thick skin wax collection over that eardrum there. Now, this is the type of thing we're talking about.
Yeah, I think I got to a point in this one where it was just coming away in such tiny little pieces. I just thought, do you know what? I'm just gonna pop the irrigator in. I'm just gonna, give this a little bit of a rinse. We with the irrigation that we use, the machines and tools that we use, the water is not directly pointed at the eardrum, so it's pointed at the roof of the ear canal. So I mean, a lot of people have a bit of a worry that it's gonna perforate the eardrum. We obviously do an extensive case history beforehand. So please tell your audiologist or us, if you come to see us, please tell us every little detail that you know about your ears when we do the case history, because we need to know if there's any perforations or weaknesses to the eardrum, because we won't be able to irrigate otherwise. But anyway, and any other old normal procedure, it's quite comfortable actually. We've done
look
it a
at
few
this.
times and I said, oh, look at that, look at the difference there.
That you could see what it was like just a second ago compared to what it's like, and that is just a very short.
That's 15 seconds of
irrigation. And you can see we had it all tucked into the corners around the recess. There were tiny little patches on the eardrum of very soft and sticky wax and skin debris. But just with that 15 seconds of irrigation, look at the difference that makes. The patient could hear better following the microsuction. But just getting those extra couple of bits out, perfect. You see the difference I made on that.
That flicked over so quickly that I didn't expect.
I know. It was such a tough. I could see, because when I did the edit for this, I remember seeing this. Like, oh my god, that made a massive difference, compared to the last little bit there. So it was good. Guys,
I know exactly what you do.
Do you want to do the like, share bit? I'll do the bio bit. Go on.
Yeah, go on then.
Go on,
Yeah,
yeah, we'll switch it up. Go on, you
yeah,
do this
go on.
then.
So if you can, don't forget, guys, to like, share.
Well done.
If you're watching on TikTok, heart.
Oh, well
and,
done,
yeah, and follow. Yeah, follow is the most important one. Subscribe. It's free.
It is. You don't pay for this lovely, lovely content we're giving you. Look, me and Taylor come in without breakfast, without even having a cup of tea, to voice these over for you guys.
Stomach's grumbling
Fire,
away.
go to the
We're
corner.
talking about golden syrup.
Yeah, I know. Do you know what? I could do a nice breakfast now as well. Yeah, and guys, don't forget, if you do have any problems with your ears, you can always come. You can click a link in the bio or the channel page. That'll direct you to our website, and you can come and book yourself an appointment with yourself or the lovely Miss Taylor Green. We've had a few people from far and wide. A lovely, lovely lady from Berkshire come in the other day. All the way from Berkshire to get her ears cleaned out. Yeah, really lovely lady. So yeah, guys, you know, any problems at all, come and see myself and the lovely Miss Taylor Green. We'll get those sorted out for you. And there we are.
Great.
As always, guys,
Take care of yourselves.
take care of your ears.
And take care of one another.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.